Hi guys, Sam here. For today's activity, we are going to go on a little nature walk. It's important to get outside, get some fresh air when we can. So if you want to share your own pictures or videos of you guys going on your own nature walks, you can share those with us on our Facebook or Instagram page. We would love to see them. So let's go on and get outside. I found a cool plant that I want to show you guys. These pretty flowers, they're kind of dirty, but these are blue common violets or wild violets, and they are actually edible, and they tend to grow near water, so that's why they grew right near this creek. Here we have bed straw, this cool spiky looking plant, and it's kind of sticky feeling. And the reason this plant is called bed straw is because way back in the day, during the pioneer times, the pioneers would actually pick this plant and they would stuff it under blankets, and they would use this to sleep on to make a bed. I was walking along, I was looking for wild onions, and I've come across quite a few actually. There's here, all these are all wild onions. The top are like chives, and then underneath there's actually an onion down there. So I'm going to try and dig it out, and I will show you guys. All right, so I got our wild onion out. This is what it looks like when you pull it out. There's a little onion on the end. See all those long roots? I had to dig it up. Sometimes you need to use a stick, use your fingers. Thank you guys so much for joining me on our nature walk today. I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves. Hope you had fun learning about all the different new plants that we found, like our wild onions. Picked a whole bunch. We're gonna use them for dinner tonight. We're gonna head on out.